Hello, this is Dr. Stephen Chakouti with Tech for Understanding, and we are now continuing on with our B research project, and we're going to be working on formatting. We're going to format this document and make it more appealing and functional for this project. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to work on alignment. So we're going to highlight parts of the B. Instead of highlighting it, we could also just triple click. As you can see, it brings up the whole sentence. And then we're going to go to Format, and we can go to Align, and we can go left, center, right, or Justify. We're going to go to Center. Now, let's say we want to make this the title, and we want to make it bold and italics and underlined, and we want to make it bright. Let's make it like pink. So you've got nice and bright. Okay. Now from here, we also want to change the top header column so that it looks more like a table. So once again, we're going to center this. Instead of going to Format, Align, and Center, instead, we're going to highlight all of these, and we're going to go over here into the ribbon. This is called your ribbon. We're going to click on the center alignment. It's the same thing as we did before with the top with the pull-down menu. Once again, Format, Align, or highlight, and just click the ribbon where it says to align center. Now, after we've done that, we're going to go to the paint can and we're going to fill the background, and we're going to make this a light gray so it stands out, separate from the answer boxes. We could also go over here and change the color to maybe a light blue. That might be nice. Okay. Now, if you notice here in this box, we have the part, we have the image, we have the purpose. We're not leaving a lot of room for text. So we're going to reallocate some space. If I take my mouse, I take my cursor and I bring it up to the line, the separating, you see how a double line comes up with a double arrow? I can bring this over. So now I can bring this over and I can have the part here and I can have the image here. And now I have more room for my purpose description. Now, let's see what else we have here. So let's say I wanted to add some different text to this sentence. If I go to the format area, let's see what happens. I can bold it, or I can undo it, or I can italicize it and it's slanted, and I can undo it. I can underline it. That would undo it. I can do a strike through like I'm doing editing, or I can undo it. I can do a superscript. Now, let me do a little piece of this. So let's take this part, the B, and let's go format, superscript. So let's say I wanted to do a math equation. I wanted to do x squared plus 2x squared equals 3x squared. What I'd have to do is I'd go to each two and I'd go to format and I would go superscript. And I would go over here and format, superscript. And once again, format, superscript. So you can do superscript, or if you ever needed to, format, you can do subscript, and that brings it down below, but right now we're not doing that. So that is superscript and subscript.